Hello, Rick Bo and Sugar. I've decided to put all new lights in my '03 Chevrolet Silverado. They're getting kind of dull, and the back ones are, I guess you call it, delaminating. So I ordered these from Amazon. They weren't very expensive, and we'll see how long they last. I think they'll look a lot better than what's on there now. And these are the headlights and the parking lights. I guess they go like that. Yeah, it's going to look a whole lot better. Look like a brand new truck. I think the front four lights were like, I think they were $100 for all four of them, and the tail lights were like $70 for both of them. Yeah, it's gonna look really good. I love that old truck. It's a '03 1500 heavy duty. So it's got the 6-liter engine with the 4L80 transmission. And I've probably had it for 10 years. It's going on 20 years old now. But all I've ever done to it is fuel pump and a water pump. I towed my 5th wheel camper with it, so it deserves a little bit of love. Yeah, those really look good. We just have to wait and see how they hold up. So there's the headlights and parking lights, turn signals. Okay, so here's the tail lights. And these are supposed to come up with the wiring harness and the bulbs. Oh yeah, that really looks good. She's got the whole wiring harness in it. And how they can sell these for $70. I don't know. They really look good. See, the other one is, it's like this outer layer here is coming off, and you can see big white spots in it. Those look really good. So now I just need to put them in. Okay, I think I'll go out and install these things. Can't wait, it's gonna look so much better. There's the difference in the headlight. There's the old one. There's the new one. It's gonna make it look a whole lot better. Okay, and then the parking light, I don't know if you can see it, but it's just got a clip. You push in on it. don't think I can do it one-handed, but you just push it on this clip and then it pulls out of this side. So there's no screws to take out. And there's one side done. It's quite the improvement. Bet I'll be able to see a lot better at night too. There we are, all finished up. No tools required. There's the old one. There's the new one. I know I could have maybe polished these out a little bit, but they'd never be as good as they were factory. But I like it. Now I just got to do the tail lights. Okay, here's what the old ones look like. It's like they're delaminating. And then there's the new one. It's gonna look good. Well, it really brought new life to my pickup truck. It's starting to rain out here, but I'm really happy with it. It looks good. New tail lights. Yeah, I'll be happy with it for another 20 years.